Let's talk about ARB coin. Right now, ARB is at a particularly good point for me to take a long, and that's what I'll do. I'll start buying some longs right here, and I'll tell you my exact targets and how I'm planning to play it. We'll go for 1%, 3%, 5%, and so on. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. A little bit about my trading style. Right here, 282 grand of P&L. We've managed to not lose a lot of money on the dip, which is great. We have bought a few things, and I wanted to make updates on the new things that I'll be buying right now. So the first thing is ARB. The reasoning behind this trade is very simple. Basically, VWAP going up, money flow going up. We have value area price below the value area low. So in general, we're getting a good deal on our trade. And the goal for this trade personally that I'll have is basically a retest. Hopefully we can actually get an 8% trade. It's gonna be a dangerous trade. So I might just be taking profits along the way, because the whale that shorted before the last dip has opened 200 million worth of shorts again. So I expect a bigger dump very, very soon. Live with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.